Smartphone and pop culture collaborations aren't new, but this special edition with a beverage brand is. Realme has partnered with the globally recognized brand Coca-Cola, and the result is worth checking.
Realme has launched the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition Smartphone, and it's just the same as the standard 10 Pro 5G on the inside. The package that we received is this huge Coca-Cola branded cardboard box, which also contains a red polycarbonate Real Meow figurine that mimics Coke in a glass with all the bubbles. This is something that was sent out to just media folks, but customers will get this retail box. The retail packaging gets a Coca-Cola inspired red, black and silver color treatment. A Coca-Cola logo covers half of the box, and we have a tiny Realme logo to remind us that this is actually a Realme phone. On the side, we have another Coca-Cola logo and a model name. Upon opening this package, we are greeted by a black box with a Coca-Cola bottle cutout that can be pulled open to reveal the stickers that come along with this smartphone. After opening it, we can see two pairs of stickers, a printed card with the Coca-Cola logo and a serial number for this limited edition smartphone, and the user manual. Next, we have the phone itself, followed by a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, a smoked black silicone case, and a 33-watt Super Hook power adapter. Coming to the design of this smartphone, the Coca-Cola edition has a black matte frame, similar to that of the dark matter color option that the standard Realme 10 Pro 5G is available in. The back panel is where things have really changed. It is now dual toned with a cropped Coca-Cola logo in silver with a red background on one side and the familiar Realme logo on the other. The chrome rings around the cameras are also red for this edition. The shiny logo looks unique, and this smartphone will definitely turn a lot of heads out in public. For the UI, Realme has created a bunch of custom icons and wallpapers to go with the Coca-Cola theme, and this makes for an interesting change. The internals of the smartphone have not been tweaked or modified at all, so you can watch our Realme 10 Pro 5G video to know more about its specifications. The Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition only comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This smartphone definitely looks unique, but I don't think a lot of people would want to advertise Coca-Cola on their phone all the time. Only hardcore Coke fans and those who find this quirky might want to get their hands on this device, especially for those stickers and the unique packaging that it